I didn't have my camera ready with me, but the boys are here. Well, 3 of the boys. And one of them not getting along with the others. Now they all travel together. It's funny, but snarling and growling. Where did he go? There was a guy down the hall. Maybe that's the guy that was down the hall. Is that the guy that was down the hall? Who's like, I know what that is. Oh, he doesn't want a peanut. That's as good as I can put them. Right? You have, hang on a sec. You're putting lots of holes in my pants. Yeah, no, you're not going to put holes in my feet either. Stop. Okay, now we got 4 monkeys. But I think this is Willie. Are you Willie? Yeah, that's my Willie. Not a good idea to be patting them when they're snarling like that, I guess. Right, guys? Now, if I give you too many peanuts, you're not going to eat the kibble I just put out for you. But I haven't seen the skunk family yet. I've seen individuals. But I haven't seen the crew. They normally, at one point, they're usually all here together. I don't know if they're all from the same family or not, but they seem to get along. All right there, Snagglepuss. Are you the one snarling? You wouldn't do that, would ya? No, my little Willie's more of a lover than a fighter. Right? And both of you guys are mama's babies. Yeah, those are wet feet on my toes. I don't know if he's eating the kibble or not. There wasn't much else in there. The seed's mostly gone. Don't you be so cranky. I'll give you a boot in the bum. Right, guys? Or did you want to come in? Maybe it'd be safer if you just come in. Oh, it is you snarling at everybody. Not very nice. Not very gentlemanly, Willie. And your mama's 2023 baby. Very gentle. I know it's on your back and somebody tackled you or something. Willie, my love, that's probably your cousin you're snarling at. I think that's one of Mama's too, from last year, or maybe your grandson. You got the same face as this guy here. You're definitely related somehow. Oh, don't get that one there. Oh, that one off too. Right? Right, my little dear. Very gentle. There. Now, I think we've got a 5th raccoon. Because I got 4 right here, and I don't think that one on the deck is Willie. I got a special treat for you. For being so gentle. I'll give you some too. Okay, where did Willie go? Hey now. Don't need any of that, do we? Who's doing the snarling? Not you, is it? Did you eat all your treats already? Gewurr and geschnarf. So gentle. I say that, but he did bite me a couple of weeks ago. It's my own fault. I reached out and patted him. He didn't know I was going to pat him, so he kind of, just as a reflex, spun around and bit me. I'm just getting used to being able to hear again. And the world is loud. I've not heard this for 25 years. And now I'm able to hear things that are really piercing. Probably normal people with normal hearing. But that right there is just razor blades in my ears. Maybe that is Willie. I can't quite tell. He's normally like a lighter shade, but he might be his winter coat coming in darker. What do you think there, bud? Somebody's not finishing their peanuts. There's one right there. Oh, I think that is Willie. I give one to Poof, but he's not interested. I threw one to him. He had one coming up the stairs and he didn't take it, so. You can always tell the boys have been here because the water has been turned into tea, right? Looks more like tea than water. And you're back. You guys are having fun. I'm going to leave you alone. I am. I will give you a bunch of peanuts, but I'm gonna see if you can get some. Here, take yours over there. I want them to actually eat some kibble, which they'll do if I stop throwing peanuts, unless they're gonna leave. What do you think, Poof? Do you want to try a peanut? No? Right under his chin. Here, put a bunch between you guys so you won't be fighting each other. There. There you go. Alright guys, get some kibble. You finish your peanuts, get some kibble before you leave. Alright? You guys behave and be safe.